Here's the mistake most people make. They type, "Write me a business email." That's too vague. Instead, tell ChatGPT who it should be. For example, you are an experienced business consultant. Write a professional follow-up email to a client who hasn't responded in 5 days. See the difference? One small change can dramatically improve the quality of your results. Here's another trick that can completely change your results. Most people ask ChatGPT their question immediately. Instead, ask ChatGPT to improve your prompt first. For example, don't just write a LinkedIn post about artificial intelligence. Instead, ask ChatGPT to improve that prompt first, then use the improved version. A better prompt almost always leads to a better answer. Here's another simple trick. Never settle for the first answer. Instead, ask ChatGPT to generate 3 completely different versions. Each version gives you a new perspective. Then compare them and choose the best one. This works especially well for writing, emails, LinkedIn posts, and content creation. One prompt, 3 great ideas. Here's a trick most people completely ignore. Before asking your question, give ChatGPT a role. For example, instead of saying, "Explain marketing," say, "You are a university marketing professor. Explain marketing to a beginner using simple examples." The answer becomes much clearer and much more useful. Here's another powerful trick. Don't just tell ChatGPT what you want. Tell it what to avoid. For example, instead of asking for a follow-up email, tell ChatGPT to avoid sounding pushy or aggressive. Those small instructions can completely change the tone and produce much more natural writing. Want smarter answers? Here's another trick. Ask ChatGPT to think step by step. Instead of asking for the final answer immediately, tell it to explain the reasoning first. This often leads to more logical, more detailed, and more reliable responses. Here's the final trick. Don't use just one prompting technique. Combine them. Give ChatGPT a role. Ask it to think step by step. Request multiple versions. Tell it what to avoid. The more useful context you provide, the better your results become. That's how professionals use AI.